Children, let's see one more sum. Quite interesting this sum is also. What it says. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. There is a highway which is leading to the foot of the tower. A man is standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Children, once again we have come across angle of depression. So I hope you remember couple of sums is what we did earlier, right? Very initial sums is what we have done. So what is angle of depression? Keep that in mind. And if you have forgotten, refresh your concepts, go back, watch that video, a very simple video, a very simple sum was done, and come back to this particular video. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. So the car is moving with some uniform speed. 6 seconds later, so that means the car has traveled for 6 seconds. It's only after that, 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. So we have the second angle of depression, but after 6 seconds, mind you. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this particular point. Now, after reading the question for the first time, I know that not all students must have understood the sum. I can feel that not everybody must have understood the sum. So the picture will be very clear the moment we go and draw the diagram. So let's start. What is the summary trying to say? That there is a tower and a man is at the top of the tower. So let us draw a tower. Let us take a tower and a man is standing at the top of the tower. Here is what the man is. This is nothing but a straight highway. This is nothing but a straight highway. Now, a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man is standing at the top. So let me say AB represents the height of the tower. And where is the man standing right now? At point B. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So let me say initially the car is at point C. Initially the car is at point C. What is the man observing it? What angle of depression the man observing the car? He is observing the car with an angle of depression of 30 degree. So he is observing the car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Children, refresh your concepts. We need to have a horizontal line of vision. So it is this angle is 30 degree, mind you. Since this angle is 30 degree, by default this angle is also 30 degree. I hope now you are very much aware. Whenever we have angle of depression sum, we always create a horizontal line. Why? Angle of elevation and angle of depression, both are being measured in terms of horizontal line. Yes, you all are saying along with me. Good. So he observes the car initially at point C, making an angle of depression of 30 degree, which counts for this also. 6 seconds later. Now before that, it is being clearly stated that the car is moving with a uniform speed. Don't you think so that the car is moving in this direction? So it is going to head towards the tower. First, C is the initial position of the car. D being the second position of the car. From here to here, what is the time frame? The time frame is 6 seconds. Can I say, let the car moves with a uniform velocity or uniform speed of x meters per second. So what is the speed? Speed is x meters per second. Say, why? Because they have stated the car is moving with a uniform speed. Children, we all are aware, distance is speed into time. So what is the distance covered from C to D? The distance covered from C to D is nothing but speed into time, which is 6 into x, 6x meter. I repeat what we have done. Initially, the man observed, who is sitting on the top of the tower, observes the car at point C. The car has to move towards the tower. In time frame of 6 seconds, the car reaches at point D. We say that let the car be having a uniform velocity of x meters per second or speed of x meters per second. So time frame is 6 seconds, speed is x meters per second, distance is speed into time, distance is speed, into time 6x meter. Now where the car has reached? The car has reached at point D. The question further adds on. The second angle of depression, the second angle which is approaching the foot of the tar with a uniform speed, 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car was found to be 60 degree. So after 6 seconds, the angle of depression is 60 degree. Mind you, it is this entire angle. It is this entire angle which is 60 degree. If this entire angle is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tar from this point. So we need to find out the time frame. We need to find out the time frame of the car from point D to point A. So let us say once again, the time frame be t second. Let the car takes t seconds to reach from point D to point A. Don't you think so that it has been clearly stated the car is moving with a uniform speed? So speed from point D to point A, speed from point D to point A is again same x meters per second. Then what shall be the distance from D to A? Distance from D to A is again speed into time. So distance is going to be xt meter. Now you must be wondering, all must be wondering that why sir is calculating distance whereby which you want to find out time. Children, do you remember once I said in my previous videos, whenever you have a triangle, a right angle triangle within a bigger right angle triangle, try to get equation in terms of common side. You remember that, right? So don't you think so that we have a right angle triangle BAD, which is a smaller one, which is there within the bigger right angle triangle BAC. Try to get equation in terms of common side. Who is that common side? Is AB is the common side? Children, what is AB? Tar. AB represents the height of the tar. So that means we are measuring the distance of the tar. We need to have all the parameters in terms of distance. I cannot keep one parameter in distance, other parameters in time. No, you cannot solve this particular sum in that particular way. You have to have all the parameters in the same manner. So AB, since I in my solution going to keep answer in terms of common side, I am going to take equation in terms of common side. My common side is AB, which is nothing but the distance or height of the tar. So that's the reason I have to convert the others also in terms of distance. Shall we go further? Right? I hope you have understood how the diagram we have drawn based on the question. So let's start our solution. Let AB represent the height of the tar. I'm writing shortcuts bit. Let AB represent the height of the tar. Let C be the first position and D be the second position of the car. Let C be the first position and D be the second position of the car. Mind you, time frame from C to D is 6 seconds. Thereafter, are we aware that the car is moving with some speed? Yes. So we say let the uniform speed of the car be x meters per second. Let the uniform speed be x meters per second. Children, I have given everything in my diagram, so I need not write down all the things over here. We have given everything in our diagram. So what are the angle of elevations for first and second? Sorry, angle of depression, mind you, not angle of elevation, angle of depression. The first angle of depression being 30, second angle of depression being 60. I shall not mention in my sum. We can directly switch into our triangle. First, we shall take what triangle? We shall take, before that, what is the total distance then? What is the total distance then from A to C? Why we need to find out total distance? Because we want entire triangle BAC. This is xt plus 6x. Can I say the total distance? Total distance is 6x plus xt. 6x plus xt. So I shall say, since everything given in the figure, I have given every detail, we can say from the figure, you need not write down and show everything, total distance from the figure, total distance is 6x plus xt meter. 6x plus xt meter. In triangle, which triangle would like to go into? In triangle. If you want, you can take the smaller triangle first. If you want, you can take the larger triangle first. Call is totally yours. I'm taking the smaller first. In triangle BAD, in triangle BAD, tan 60 is AB by AD. What is tan 60, children? Root 3. How much is AB? I don't know. That's what our common side is. And how much is AD? Since we want in terms of distance, it is XT. XT. So if I go for cross multiplication, what is AB turning out to be? Root 3 XT. What is AB turning out to be? Root 3 XT. Meter. Yes, certainly it is meter. Likewise, in triangle, which triangle you would like to go with? In triangle BAC. In triangle BAC, what is it? This time tan 30. BAC, tan 30 is BA by AC. What is the value of tan 30, children? 1 by root 3. How much is BA? That's what AB and BA is one and the same. AB by AC. What is AC? Distance is 6x plus xt. Cross multiply. So what is AB then? AB is equals to 6x plus xt by root 3 of a meter. Children, you can say, if you want, this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. What do I get? What do I get after equating 1 and 2? Are they talking in terms of A and B? Indeed. So I shall write down my next answer here. This is what the diagram is. We shall continue our answer here. From 1 and 2, from 1, equations 1 and 2, this is also AB, this is also AB. Can I literally equate it? Yes. Root 3 xt is equals to, root 3 xt is equals to 6x plus xt by root 3. 6x plus xt by root 3. Root 3 when goes over there becomes root 3 into root 3. 3xt is 6x plus xt. Bring this xt over here. 3xt minus xt is 6x. 2xt is 6x. X gets cancels off, which is uniform speed. On dividing further, t is equals to 6 by 2. T is equals to 3 seconds. Sir, what is t? As being given in the figure, t is nothing but the time taken by the car to reach from D to point A. We did not mention in our step, as I said, everything being given in my diagram. So what was t? T is the time required by the car to reach from D to point A. That's what we got. That's what we got. T as 3 seconds. So our final answer is time required. Our final answer should always be in their language. The time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. Time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is 3 seconds. Children, only one thing is what you need to keep in mind is that why did I convert everything in terms of D? Because I wanted to write down equation in terms of common side, which is nothing but height of the tower. There are many solutions to this, not one. You might find another solution also, third solution also. This is totally different. We are trying to get in terms of D and getting our answer.